tell him to look one way. Like, you sure you know what's going on? He's tired. Yeah, I think it's time. Someone's gonna take it.
Monsters aerodynamics. The screens that result are then refined into clean, dependable energy, helping to make Monstropolis a wonderful place to live, work.
Manos, brazos, pies, piernas y colas dentro del taxi y vigilen a sus hijos. Gracias.
Hello! If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll. It's true! I saw the whole thing! Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Boo!
Oh, googly bear!
This human child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. And it grabbed me with its giant...
Oh, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Oh no! There's a kid here! Sweet monster in disguise!
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Try to understand.
Come on, this way.
There's a human kid!
There's nothing down there. Number one. Affirmative on the negative, number one.
I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scale.
Are you done here, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now. 2319.
Oh, dear.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Mike Wazowski!
I love you, kiddo.
G'day.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rescued Mike and Sully. Confirmed or denied the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319
Special report. Say watching. Yo, watching.